It's really important to know that the nivolumab it's a safe treatment with less side effects. So you know that ipilimumab, the first checkpoint inhibitor that used, changed the history of melanoma, but the toxicity was important. I have to say mainly with the 10 milligrams per kilogram, not with the 3 milligrams per kilogram. But anyway, also with 3 milligrams per kilogram, the impact of the grade 3 and 4 adverse event was 10–15%. With nivolumab, we have a more potent compound with the less side effect. This means that the impact of the immunorelated grade 3 and 4 adverse event is 5–6%, so the half of the ipilimumab. So the impact is important in clinical practice because with a more potent compound and with less toxicity, of course, the news for patients are very good news.